You can automate any workflow in 5 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is n8n. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is n8n? Straight from the source, n8n is a workflow automation platform that uniquely combines AI capabilities with business process automation, giving technical teams the flexibility of code with the speed of no code. In plain words, it lets you automate any workflow without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes n8n worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, AI agents and workflows you can see and control. On top of that, plug AI into your own data and over 500 integrations. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with n8n. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Build AI agents you can actually follow. Build complex AI without getting boxed in. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the n8n website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and n8n does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 5 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to automate any workflow with n8n in 5 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.